Hey guys, just a real quick tip here. You want to make sure that any of your furnace exhausts or your hot water heater, that you're putting these wasp screens on your coach. Otherwise, wasps can go in there and build a nest, and sometimes even get in the way of the igniter, and it just it's a great thing when your furnace and hot water heater work the way they're supposed to and they're not being clogged with wasp nests and other things. So make sure you have these. It's a very, very cheap insurance to make sure that your appliances stay working properly. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you stay up to date on all the latest videos that we release. Also, check out our blog website, wolfrvblog.com. There you'll find all kinds of downloadable checklists and worksheets. You'll find all kinds of videos on troubleshooting, how-to videos, coach reviews, campground reviews, trips, you name it. It's a lot of information, a lot of fun. Go check it out.